Hi everyone. I want to show how to use and utilize Dr. Annie Insights for the purpose of orthodontic, diagnostic, and treatment planning. First, we can access Dr. Annie Insights through ismartdds.com. This is the login page. We will start by logging into our account. You can either log in with Google account or type in your email and password. After login, this is the home page looks like. There is the list of patients on the left side, and the new patient form in the middle, and HIPAA information on the right side. Let's start then. Create a new patient by fill the patient information like name, birth date, race, and so on. Make sure you have read and give consent to HIPAA compliance. Click Submit. Now, we're going to start uploading the intraoral pictures. We can upload it by drag the pictures or click on the box. Remember that it is important to follow the requirement as we uploading the picture, such as size and clarity. This to make sure the AI recognition to work properly. After the intraoral picture is uploaded, click Next. We can choose either upload the extraoral pictures or skip it, it is not mandatory. Click Next, and we'll find the dental chart diagram. If the patient have missing teeth, then you can note it here. Although, in most cases, it's not mandatory. Next is the X-ray section. We can upload the lateral, frontal, and dental panoramic photos of patient. After all has been completed, user role is considerably done, as we proceed next to the AI finding. Scroll down, and we can see whether the AI has been done the findings. User, or we can say the dentist, need to verify manually, just to make sure that the AI has done identified the findings properly. User also has the capability to superimpose with the template feature, to check how far this patient is actually deviating from the norm. After all the requirement has been fulfilled, we can generate the report. Click Next. Choose the reports we want to generate. In this case, we want the complete report. Please keep in mind that complete report can only be generated with complete X-ray pictures. The reports need 1 to 3 minutes to produce preliminary basic report, or reports number 1 to 6. And need 5 to 6 minutes to produce advanced complete reports, depending of the complexity of the case. While we wait for the complete report to finish, let's take a quick look at another report. In first report, we can get the preliminary assessment, which is the difficulty of the case. Based on the finding in this case, it is implied that this case is low to moderate in terms of dental evaluation, tooth alignment, or even cost estimation. Now let's look at another report. This is the problem list report. Number 3 is the treatment rationale, where you can get more detail about the treatment suggestion. After completely generated, there are 9 reports available. The PDF in number 9 will contain much more information, including recommendation of treatment, suggestion to overcorrect the case, and many more. Keep in mind that we can also regenerate the report if we update or change the pictures, or edit and redo the review of the AI finding from the previous section. That's it for now. We're constantly working to enhance our AI technology and improve the dental care experience for everyone. Thank you for watching.